Manchester United, one of the biggest clubs in the world, currently struggling year after year. Can we put the club at the top again? Welcome to the Manchester United rebuild. To start, Mainoo and Mejbri are going on a loan. Van de Beek goes to Brentford. Pellistri to Everton on a loan. Bailey, Fred, Maguire, Marshall, and Wan-Bissaka are out. Eriksen and Varane leave the club, giving us an additional $108 million. And we got our first signing. Vlahovic is our new number 9. We got Rodrigo. $145 million deal. Merino for the midfield. De Ligt to lead our defense. In a $113 million deal. Lastly, we got Hakimi. For $64 million. This is how the squad looks like. Let's simulate the 23-24 season and see how it was.
30,000 feet above the ground. You know I'm on a mission. Gotta work to find the frequency.
Apparently, we won the FA Cup.
It's calling out for you and me.
Manchester United is back. We finished third in the Premier League. Liverpool won it. We won the FA Cup. Tottenham won the Carabao Cup, beating Liverpool. We lost to Nottingham Forest. Manchester City won the Champions League, Arsenal the Europa League, and Slavia Praha the Conference League. On the 24-25 season, we finished second in the Premier League. We won the Community Shield. But this time, Manchester City won the FA Cup, beating us in the 5th round. They also won the Carabao Cup. We got to the Champions League final, but lost to Inter. Marseille won the Europa League, and Porto won the Conference League. This season, Vlahovic scored the most goals, followed by Fernandes, Antony, and Rashford. Rashford made the most assists, followed by Fernandes, Casemiro, and Merino. Ultimately, here is how the squad looks after 2 seasons.